Scrambly review: Can you earn money? So Scrambly is a mobile app that promises users an easy way to earn small amounts of cash by completing simple tasks such as watching videos, answering surveys, or trying offers. So like many rewards app, is that you spend time inside the app doing microtasks and earn small rewards that can be redeemed once you reach a payout threshold. While you can earn rewards, earning significant money is unlikely for most users. The tests typically pay very small amounts, and some services don't credit properly, and offers often require personal information or third-party signups that may not be worth your time as well. Payouts are usually limited to gift cards as well, digital vouchers, and such, but if you really want to know if it does allow you to earn money, then yes, it is possible. Scrambly may be worth trying if you enjoy doing simple tasks for very small rewards, or pretty much depends on what it offers you at the moment, since it is very regional and can reach the minimum payout. But it should not be viewed as a reliable or meaningful source of income, as most people find that the time spent earns only modest rewards that don't really compare with other earning methods. And in many cases, alternative survey or reward apps with better track records and clearer payouts are a stronger choice. So that's pretty much information about the Scrambly app itself. And if you can earn money, then yes, you can, but at a very limited amount. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.